Comets are flying around through space, but comets are constantly losing material. That's what the tail is blowing off of a comet. It's losing part of itself, okay? You can't just keep losing and losing. Pretty soon, it's gone. You know, it's kind of like your checkbook. See, if your outgo exceeds your income, your upkeep will be your downfall every single time. Well, these comets are losing material, and it's been estimated they can't last more than about 10,000 years. Okay, well then I have a question. If the Earth is billions of years old, and if the universe is billions of years old, why do we still have comets? I mentioned this in a seminar one time, that this is an evidence that the universe is not billions of years old. Just the very existence of comets, like Halley's Comet, it proves it's not billions of years old. And this one atheist went home and devoted an entire website against me. There are now over 1,000 anti-Hovind websites. Type in Kent Hovind on the search engine and watch your computer melt. They hate me out there. But one of these atheists on his website said, Hovind, don't you know that a Dutch astronomer named Jan Oort proposed, that means he hoped, he wished, he prayed, that there was a shell of comets out there at the remote frontiers of the solar system. He said the reason we still have comets is because new ones keep coming in from the Oort Cloud. That's his theory, okay? He said this Oort Cloud is 50,000 astronomical units away. Well, for those who don't know what an astronomical unit is, that is the distance from the Earth to the Sun. That is 1 astronomical unit, 93 million miles. Did you know it's pretty hard to see Pluto without an excellent telescope? And Pluto's only 39 astronomical units away. You certainly could not see a comet 50,000 astronomical units away. You see, nobody has ever seen the Oort Cloud. Oort never saw the Oort Cloud. The whole thing's based on a mathematical mistake. There is no Oort Cloud. We got even guys like Carl Sagan, who said, many scientific papers are written each year about the Oort Cloud, its properties, its origin, its evolution, yet there's not a shred of direct observational evidence for its existence. They know all about it, except they've never seen it and don't know anything about it. There is no Oort Cloud. But this skeptic, Madsen, on his website said, fellas, if you want to use the comet argument, it's up to you to prove, beyond a reasonable doubt, that the Oort Cloud and other sources don't exist. He's saying, I got to prove the Oort Cloud doesn't exist. Now, just hold on a minute, Dave. That's not the way science works. What he's trying to do here is called shifting the burden of proof. The liberals are really good at doing that, and we fall for it most of the time. I'll show you how easy it is to shift the burden of proof. Suppose I said, watermelons are blue on the inside until you cut the skin. Prove I'm wrong. That'd be tough to do, wouldn't it? See, if all I have to do is make up a story and you got to prove it's wrong, I can keep you busy the rest of your life. And he's trying to make up a story that there's an Oort Cloud and saying, I have to prove it doesn't exist. How on earth would you prove the non-existence of anything? Wouldn't you have to be all places at all times to prove anything doesn't exist? The Bible says the heavens declare the glory of God.